Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I will show how you can stop notifications in VIVO Mobile. So firstly, you will need to launch Settings, then enter the Sound and Vibration category, onwards open the Do Not Disturb page and turn it on. As you can see, in Do Not Disturb mode, incoming calls, SMS messages and notifications will be muted and the phone cannot be woken up when the screen is off. Over here you can add the whitelist phone numbers you will still be receiving the phone calls from, and allow certain SMS messages to come through as well. But that will be pretty much it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.